Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I have a quick Target haul for you. Now, some of these items are going to be from the dollar spot and the rest are going to be clearance items. As always, I do want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. So let's just get started. First of all, let me show you this really cute pillow, and it just says home. This one was $5. It is a very dark navy piping, and then on the back it has stripes, and then it says obviously home, and again it's in like a really dark navy color, so it does look black. I have it against some of the black stuff here in my living room, and it still looks dark enough to where it doesn't look like it's blue. So I really loved this piece. And that pillow is from the Bullseyes playground, also known as the Target dollar spot. Actually, let me just tell you when an item is not from that area, because I have two items only that are not from there. I also got this really cute microfiber cloth that has all of the safety pins, and this is in gray. I thought this would be really cute for me to have in my laundry room. I am cleaning and organizing that up because right now it is a hot mess, and mainly because since we had our washer break, things just kind of piled up on there and all over the place, so it's a mess. And the doors broke, so hopefully that'll be a video that'll be coming up of the idea that I have, because I don't want to put doors on there anymore. And the microfiber cloth was only $1. Also, for my laundry room, I got this sign that has all of like the directions or precautions, I don't even know what to call these, that come in labels. So this is really cute. It's black, and this isn't white, this is like a cream, and it'll be perfect again for the ideas that I have in there. And this really thin light sign was only $3, so really great find. And I purchased 2 of these amber bottles, so I bought 2 of these, which is like the spray bottle, and then 2 of the lotion or soap pump, and I got both of them in the amber glass. They have some clear ones, and then they have clear ones that have designs. I think some say like so fresh and so clean, or like little lemon lime wedges, but I thought these would be perfect. I am using one set in my son's bathroom. If you'll remember from one of my previous hauls, I bought those amber canisters from the Hearth and Hand collection, so these will match really well with that. And for spring, I am going to go with some light pinks and blushes for decor, so I bought this sign that says bloom. I love this color. It was only $3, and I love that it has like this kind of like shiplap effect going on with it, so I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to style this piece. And I also got the ampersand, if that's how you say it, I feel like I'm saying it wrong, sign that has the same like shiplap effect, but it's in this like really nice natural wood with a lot of graining, so that's pretty. And then it's this beautiful, oh, it's coming out very orange, but it's like this beautiful mustard yellow, and I have 2 different uses for this. I plan to use this as party decor, and I also think I'm going to use it in my bathroom. My bathroom hasn't been touched in forever, so I'm slowly starting to buy little things that I think I may want in there, and I think this is definitely one of them. And I got 3 of these cute little cement planters, and these are $1. They're so cute, they're so little. They had some that had already a succulent on it, and it was $3, so I preferred to buy them without anything and just add my own succulents, since I get my succulents pretty inexpensively. I only pay about $1 for them. And also Target had succulents for $1, so kind of makes sense for you to just buy the little empty pots, especially because again I have a lot of DIY supplies, so I can do my own moss or floral foam or something in there to hold it if I needed it. And then I got these other 2 designs in the same little $1 planters, and these I'm actually gonna hold on to for summer. I feel like this is more of a summer item. And of course I had to get one of these little planters on the little stand. These were $3 and these are fairly small. Like, I have small hands and even my hand is larger than this. Let me show it in comparison to this one. But it's still really cute. I think it's perfect for just styling a shelf kind of stuck in a corner. So I loved it, and I actually bought two and they are both white. I want to see if I can find the pink one. And I got this adorable mister. This was $3. I love the clear. I love the color of the top. It's showing up really dark. I'm sorry, the lighting. Again, always bad. But I really loved this. I bought one last year that I think it's a little bit bigger, and I could never find the ones at Target because this is a repeat item. So I got mine from Michael's for about $2 to $3 on clearance. And of course I bought some of these cute little lemons. This is like a sliced lemon. This was only $1. And then this one, which is a complete lemon, again also $1. I love these. They only had these two, so that's all I bought. I do want to buy more because, again, I want to use these as party decor, so I'm going to keep an eye out for these. And then I also bought some of these lime ones. I love them. They're the little sliced ones. These will go perfect in my kitchen. I would have preferred, I'm sorry, for them to be darker instead of like this, I don't even know what to call it, green. It's kind of like a jade green. So I would have preferred them to be a darker green, just because that would have looked more like a lime, and this kind of doesn't. But it's cute, and I'll still display it, especially for $1. I'm okay. And just going with my pink decor, I did get this canister, and it has this, I don't know what to call it, but this like lid that actually closes, like it won't fall off, and it was just $3. I love that it has like this faux wood bottom. This is lighter than like my bloom, but I think they still go together, and if I don't use it here in my living room or in my kitchen, this will be great for when I finally set up my office, because I do want to do a lot of pinks there. And I did have the opportunity to find some of the Target like dollar spot Bullseyes playground on clearance when it was 90% off. So let me show you what I got from there. I did get these napkin rings in this white and gray with the copper buttons. I don't love the copper buttons because that's just not what I have in my home, but for 30 cents, why not? And I did get 2 packs of this. And then I got 1 pack of the leather napkin rings that have the home stamped on them. And then I got a second one that has family on them. And I got 2 sets of these cloth napkins. It is 4. They were all messed up at my store, so I did have to go in and add my other 2 because it only had 2 in there. But I did find a lot of packs of these, but I only bought 2, and again, these were $3, so I got these for 30 cents. And then I got the gray like little squared ones, again $3, so I got these for 30 cents because this is more of what would match my home more than these. I feel like these I would probably only use like once a year, and these I feel like I could make them last several seasons. I did get 3 packs just in case one got stained and I couldn't clean it, and again, for 30 cents you really can't complain. And now for my non-dollar spot items, I did get this cute little bundle, and it is Hearth and Hand, and it was $2.99, and this is in the jade. I absolutely love these. They did such a great job with these, and the price is so accessible. Even at Hobby Lobby, you wouldn't pay $3 for something like this. You would pay more, sometimes even with a discount. And then you can also separate them. You can just cut off this twine, and then you would have 3 little sprigs. And look, like this is one whole sprig one. I bought 2 of these little bundles. They also have mint, and I think that one's my favorite, but I can never find them. And I have one, but I already took it apart, and I have it in a cute little vase in my kitchen. I'll try and insert a picture right here. Look at how full this is. Just for these like 2 together, look at how much that has. I absolutely love these. These are a steal. If you find them, you have to get them. Promise me you will buy them. And my other items that are not from the dollar spot are some items for my bathroom. So I bought this lotion soap pump, and well, it doesn't say how much it was originally, but I'm pretty sure it was $9.99, and I got this for $2. It was on clearance, and let me tell you, my store had a lot of these, and a lot of them were not even marked as clearance. Like, they were still in their area, displayed really nice up front, not even in the back, and they didn't have a clearance sticker. But these were ringing up to $2. And then I got the toothpaste holder in this beautiful floral yellow. And again, this one, I think this one was cheaper than this one. It was still $9.99 originally, because I know they were the same price, but I think this was like $1 something. And then next to it, they had some like towels, like the hand towels, that's what I was trying to say, that did have kind of like this pattern, and those were still ringing their normal price. So only these, because I know Target marks on clearance items when they've been there for a long time, not just when it's past the season. So maybe this is an item that they're going to continue carrying, but because they've had some of them there for longer than they would like to, I guess, they were clearancing them out. I was going to get the little soap dish dispenser, but I don't use that. Even though it was on clearance and it was a really good deal, I didn't find it good enough of a reason for me to buy it if I'm not going to use it. And because of this is why I got this sign, because it's yellow. It's a little bit darker than this, but I think it'll be a nice way to just add little touches of yellow, because I mainly have gray in there. So the gray with just like pops of yellow, I think will look really, really cute in my bathroom. And that's all the items. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I grouped all of my Target items together to try and make a shorter video for you, because some of my hauls tend to get really long and really chatty. So I was trying to not talk too much, and that's why I just did these items. So I have one more haul coming for you with just some of the items that I have bought to inspire me for spring, and some DIY items. So I hope you're loving all of my DIY videos that I've been posting, and stay tuned for the next home decor haul. So thank you for watching, and if you aren't subscribed already, please do so. I would really appreciate that. Please go follow me over on Instagram as well, because that's where I post a lot of my home decor pictures, and I do other DIYs over there. I do kind of smaller, quicker DIYs there, so please go follow me over there. I would really, really appreciate it. And also, I have a picture over there, and I do have it in my like community tab here on YouTube, of a shirt that I designed for all of my DIYing friends. So go take a look at that. I am gonna leave the link down below. And I hope, like, in my next probably 2 to 3 videos from now, my shirt will have arrived so that I can show it on me, and hopefully you'll like it as well. Thank you again, and have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.